the HRC has replaced the online submission system called Easy that has been used since, well, it's been used for 8 years or so, maybe a bit more. It's been completely rewritten. There's a couple of things that I want to point out about the HRC Gateway. First of all named investigators that wish to have their name on an application must have an account on the HRC Gateway. If you've used the Easy system within the last 5 years, then your information will be transferred over to the Gateway and you'll be able to use the login that you had previously and passwords. And I know that most people have probably forgotten their password from last year. Tell you what you need to do if you want to get onto the Gateway and you think you already have an account. If you don't, first of all, you can go to the Gateway through the HRC link on the homepage. If you haven't had an account on Easy before, just click the sign up button for HRC Gateway and you'll be taken to a page where you can fill in your information. It does take 48 hours for your account to be approved. If you have forgotten your login or password, click on that button there and you can request a password reset. Otherwise, just click on the sign in button, and when you've signed in, you can update your profile information. So we will have transferred your information from Easy, and that information may not necessarily be up to date or correct. In particular, we are interested in your research expertise and experience. And the reason why we want to have that information is that if we know what you do, where your experience is, then we can use that information to ask you to take part in peer review for the HRC. And I know you all want to do that. Okay, so currently there are 2 rounds open on the Gateway. There's the CDAs and the 2015 project funding round. So if you go to the Gateway, you'll be able to see both of those. You won't be able to do much on the project side of things yet because it doesn't formally open until Monday. When you're in the Gateway, you can access applications that list you as a named investigator. And I want to point out to you that if you are named on an application, the system will send you an email to let you know that you have been named on an application. So the situation where you are unaware that you've been put in as a named investigator hopefully should disappear. You can follow the progress of any application that you're involved in, and there's also a to-do list that tells you when you can do your rebuttal, etc.